Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas Freddy. First, you'll need to understand the specific event mechanics that are usually active during the festive season. These events often involve special challenges or tasks. Identify the exact in-game event or challenge that features Christmas Freddy as a reward. Preparing your in-game resources, like coins or special tickets, and planning your strategy early will significantly increase your chances of a successful acquisition. This preparation is key to an easy and smooth process. To successfully acquire Christmas Freddy, active participation in the seasonal Christmas event is crucial. Make sure to complete all daily and weekly event challenges as they become available. These challenges often provide valuable event currency or character fragments, which are essential for unlocking the character. Focus your efforts on objectives that directly contribute to your progress towards Christmas Freddy. Consistent engagement throughout the event period, typically lasting 2 to 3 weeks, will yield the best results. Effective resource management is vital for securing Christmas Freddy. It's wise to save up any premium in-game currency you possess, as it might be needed for event-specific purchases or refreshes. Utilize all available energy or attempts daily to maximize your progress through event stages or tasks. If you find yourself slightly short, consider purchasing event bundles, which often offer a significant boost in fragments or currency. Spending wisely can make a big difference in reaching your goal. Once you've diligently participated and managed your resources, the final step is to claim your festive reward. Reach the required milestone or collect enough character fragments to unlock Christmas Freddy. Navigate to the event rewards section within the game to officially claim your new animatronic. Congratulations! You've successfully added this special character to your collection. Enjoy showcasing Christmas Freddy and the unique abilities or cosmetic features it brings to your gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.